Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today is Sunday, January 14th. It is 6:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we are getting ready to do eBay Mixer number 123. So I do want to thank everybody for joining me as always, and good luck. As I said just a second ago, we are going to do the 9-box mixer at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time is a 9-box mixer, and then once we do that, we'll move some spots on the 8-box mixer, and then we will hopefully break that between now and next weekend. Okay. Let me get my chat out, guys. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. All right, good deal. Alrighty, so we are going to start with Gridiron Kings 2015. And let's get it done. Base. Joe Flacco, red frame. Blue frame, Cameron Artist Payne. And red frame, Amir Abdullah. If anybody sees the Saints happen to do anything, I mean anything in this game, anything, somebody please let me know. Last I checked, they done nothing. Base. AJ Green. Red frame. Terry Bradshaw base frame, and Stephon Anthony base frame. Base. Bishop Sankey, red frame. All-time Stat Kings, Franco Harris, and Amari Cooper base frame. See, my chat's empty. You know what that means? It means nobody has any good news. Maybe they're halftime. Base. Drew Brees, red frame. Expressionist, Colin Kaepernick, and Kevin Johnson base frame. Base. Kelvin Benjamin, red frame. Real Performances, Dwight Clark, and Buck Allen red frame rookie. Base. Chris Ivory red frame. Steve Young base frame, and Brett Hundley base frame rookie. Hope everybody is enjoying their Sunday so far. Base. Chris Conley large solid color patch. Gridiron Kings. That is going to the Kansas City Chiefs. 45 of 249. Going to the Chiefs. Okay, I just have it on the small screen. Oh, I can't see that. Justin Forsett. Red frame. And Barry Sanders red frame. Alright guys, 1 second. Oh man, I said give me good news, not bad news. Isaiah Crowell, blue frame. Red Hundley, all-time stat Kings base. And J.J. Watt, blue frame. Oh, third quarter, 17-0. Okay, well, you know what? We got 2 quarters to get it together. I mean, it's the Vikings for crying out loud. Base. Marshall Faulk, all-time stat Kings red. Joe Cool. And Amir Abdullah, rookie red frame. Base. Carson Palmer, red frame. Sammy Coates, rookie base, and aficionado Jordy Nelson. Base. Antonio Gates, red frame. Jerome Bettis, base. And auto is Stat Kings, Kelvin Benjamin auto. This one is going to the Panthers. Kelvin Benjamin auto going to the Panthers. 27 of 49. I could see that one. Well, that's you. I got the Panthers. I couldn't find the other one though. And base. J.J. Watt, red frame. Arlington All-Time Stat Kings base. And Jay Ajayi base rookie. And this J.J. Watt blue frame is a variation. So that is a variation. Just wanted to point that out. '16 Elite. These are all base. Won't bore you with the details. Base. Etched in Time, Joe Montana, and Game Face, LT. DeAndre Washington, green rookie. Sheldon Rankins, green rookie, and green Andy Dalton. And elite coverage for the 49ers. Solid color patches. Going to the 49ers. That looks like lollipop, so I'm not sure if that's right or not. I'm really going to have to get my, oops, wrong playoff. 2016 playoff first. 2017 playoff, and then XR. Base. Playoff Thunder, Andrew Luck, C.J. Anderson, Boss Hogs, and rookie Daniel Lasco. Base. Playoff Air, Tony Romo, Stargazing, Todd Gurley, and rookie is Jacoby Brissett. Base. Miles Jack, kickoff. 11 of 199, going to the Jaguars. Class reunion. Aaron Rodgers, DeMarcus Ware. Derrick Henry, Boss Hogs, and rookie Laramie Thompson. Base. Class reunion, Matt Ryan, Jamal Charles, Boss Hogs, Jamal Charles, and Leonard Floyd, rookie. Base. Playoff Thunder, Tony Romo, Matt Forte, Stargazing, and Eli Apple, rookie. Base. Matt Stafford, Playoff Air, Boss Hogs, Matt Jones, and rookie is Tyler Irvin. Base. Jared Cook, kickoff, 140 of 199, going to the Packers. Windy City Packers fans, new to the break. Playoff Thunder, Tom Brady, Stargazing, AP, and rookie Blake Martinez. Trevor Siemian for the Broncos. 20 of 99. 20 of 99 going to the Broncos. Lions, Barry Sanders, and Class Reunions, Barry Sanders and Troy Aikman. Phillip Rivers, Stargazing, and rookie is Paxton Lynch. Base. Russell Wilson, Playoff Air, J.J. Yeldon, Boss Hogs, and Tyreek Hill, rookie. And this is a rookie Stallions for Zeke. 26. Oh man, so close. 26 of 149. He's 21. 26 of 149. Zeke, solid color patch. It is a rookie Stallions. That is a rookie card, rookie patch right there. Going to Dallas. And a lot of help. I think that's what that says. Let me get a bigger list next time so I can see. Base. Aaron Rodgers, Playoff Air. Eddie Lacy, Boss Hogs, and rookie is Kenny Clark. Base. Class Reunion, Ray Lewis and Marvin Harrison. Stargazing, Ryan Tannehill, Michael Thomas, rookie. Auto is Kenny Clark going to the Packers. That is 6 of 199. 6 of 199. And our last pack. Base. Drew Brees, who needs to really do something. Kickoff. Stargazing. 128 of 199. Going to the Saints. Stargazing, Andrew Luck and Braxton Miller, rookie. '17 playoff. Yeah, Kenny Clark is nice. Alrighty. Base rookie is Deshaun Watson, rookie. Bruce Smith, Gridiron Force. Reggie Wayne, kickoff, 191 of 299. Going to the Colts. And base. Base. Rookie, Dalvin Cook. Stargazing. Sorry, Le'Veon Bell, Stargazing. Playoff Momentum, Tyreek Hill, and base. Base. Rookie, Matt Burita. Gridiron Force, Cam Chancellor, and Jay Cutler. Kickoff, 118 of 299. Base. Taco Charlton, rookie. Drew Brees, Stargazing. Michael Irvin, Playoff Momentum, and base. Base. Rookie, Quincy Wilson. Flea Flicker, Baldwin, Wilson, and Rawls. Boss Hogs, Marshawn Lynch. And base. Base. Alvin Kamara, rookie. Flea Flicker is Green, Dalton, and Hill. Playoff momentum, Jordy Nelson. And base. Base. Von Miller, Stargazing. 115 of 199. Going to the Broncos. Zay Jones, rookie. Gridiron Force, Gerald McCoy. Travis Kelce, Stargazing. And base. Base, rookie. Shaquille Griffin. Flea Flicker, Cooper, Carr, and Lynch. And base. Gridiron Force, Brian Urlacher. Base. Base. Rookie, Ryan Anderson. Auto is Tre'Davious White, going to the Bills. 150 of 199. Tre'Davious White, going to the Bills. Oh, sorry guys. Rookie Stallion for the Lions. 128 of 149. Kenny Galladay. I'll set him over there, and I may or may not have forgotten about him. Solid color frame. Solid color patch. Deontay Foreman, first down, 54 of 99. Deontay Foreman, first down, going to the Texans. Rookie, Curtis Samuel. Stargazing, Odell Beckham. Flea Flicker, Newton, Olsen, and Stewart. And base. Adoree Jackson, rookie. Boss Hogs, Mark Ingram. Playoff Thunder and Lightning. Sorry. Andy Dalton, AJ Green, and base. Base. Josh Reynolds, rookie. Boss Hogs, DeMarco Murray. Thunder and Lightning, Devontae Freeman, Julio Jones, and base. $20.17 XR. Garyon Conley, rookie. And base. Chad Hansen, rookie. And base. Notorious Carson Wentz, 33 of 49, going to the Eagles. For the Bucks, Jameis Winston, 226 of 299. For the Redskins, Josh Norman, 65 of 75. Oh, see, there's good news. Saints got a touchdown. T.Y. Hilton, 175 of 299, going to the Colts. Now we just need 5 more touchdowns, just to be on the safe side. And for the Cowboys, Zeke, 141 of 199. And we have the Maximum Materials solid color patch, 42 of 49, going to the Bears, Jordan Howard. Solid color. We have our Joshua Dobbs going to the Steelers, 57 of 99, solid color patch. And then we have for the Patriots, as a beautiful looking patch right there, 1 of 5, Malcolm Mitchell, going to the Patriots. It's a very pretty card. Very nice. I like that. I'm not the team so much, but I definitely like that card. These are the class reunion. What we do is actually roll the dice. Actually, I just have one little only die. Here it is. Even number gets top, odd goes to bottom. So let's carry on then. It is 4, so it is an even number. So it is going to the top. Ravens, Lions, Falcons, Packers. Alrighty, that is all for that particular break, but we do have one in just a couple of minutes once we get that one all set up. I'll be right back with that one.